A very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Karan Rathore, and I have completed my graduation in BCom from Thakur College of Science and Commerce, and I'm currently working as a financial analyst in Excel Dynamics Private Limited. Apart from that, I'm a fitness enthusiast, and I'd like to work out every day. And I'm pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management. So today I'm going to present a presentation on IT, uh, and the topic is India really a superpower in IT sector or not? So this was my short introduction. Now let's start with the presentation. Introduction to advancement in information technology in India. The 20th century was the era of manufacturing. From 1990 to 2010, it was the time for internet boom, and currently it is time for information. Nowadays, we can say that data is the new oil, because uh, the people who have data can make profits and get anything from anywhere. India has potential to make significant contribution to development in computing, communication, technology, robotics, etc., as they do in USA. Today, world is coming to India. They outsource their IT solutions to India, like Wipro, uh, Tata, all of them are getting businesses from outsourced from US, UK, Canada, etc. And IT, we are providing them IT solutions. So India is booming market in IT. Yet India is home for many software companies like Microsoft, Google, Oracle, etc. But that is only due to Indian people but that is only due to Indian people are very poor and they tend to work on low wages as compared to other SARC countries as well as rest of the world. And obviously, skilled employees in information technology industry are earning a lot more than those in traditional industry. Considering these factors, the information technology industry can be assumed to continue to grow, and hence IT stocks can be treated as one of the sectors of long-term investment in India. A few of the major players in IT industry are TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra, etc., and have already established a good brand value and created a huge wealth for the shareholders. So the outsourcing of from other countries are taken up by this large companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra, etc. And there are a lot of job opportunities in information technology. Information technology not only contributed to the economic growth of the country, but made the governance more competent and approachable. Nowadays, you can go to get any document online, like Gumasta. You can get the income certificate online. There is a portal called as MahaDBT where you can apply for all this thing. So IT advancement in India has boosted a has a very good uh, potential, and it has given a good growth, and it has made the life of people very easy. It has been access to it has made access to government services and information easier, and expensive information technology has also made management and delivery of government services such as health services, educational information, consumer rights and services more meritorious with enhancing transparency. The IT industry is the backbone of our economy to prosper exponentially and to generate millions of jobs. Growth in IT sector will push us to grow at par with China in every sector and will help in grabbing the global market. This will improve the socio-economic status of India. IT industry is booming, and it is the sector that has the potential to grow. We can see it is in every industry. It is in finance, it is in medical, it is in every industry, you can say. Even trading, we can't manage emotions in trading. So there is a concept called as algo trading, uh, which is based on IT. So this is also started. Then new IT-based technologies such as telemedicine, remote monitoring, etc., are expanding and boosting the demand in digital economy. The rollout of fifth generation communication technology, 5G, growing adoption of artificial intelligence, big data analytics, cloud computing, and Internet of Things, IoT, will further expand the size of IT industry in India. Need of information technology. We need information technology in today's world to establish faster communication, maintain electronic storage, and provide protection to records. In a simple way, IT makes a system of electronic storage to provide protection to company records. Customer demands for secured maintenance files, and all is made possible for IT. IT has reduce the burden of storing files and everything, as there is a cloud storage nowadays, so everything is scanned and kept in cloud storage, which can be accessed anytime anywhere. So there is no risk of loss from disasters like floods and all. It used to even the share certificates and all are dematerialized, and they are available in electronic form. Nowadays, no one uses checks and all. There are different ways of payments like UPI, IMPS, NEFT, etc. So, need for information technology is very important in India nowadays, and it is it has a great growth potential, I can say. Information technology is important in our life because it helps to deal with everyday dynamic things. Technology offers various tools to boost development and to exchange information. Both these things are objective of IT to make tasks easier and to solve many problems. As you know, today when UPI is introduced, no one carries cash. Very few people carry cash. You can see they scan directly and pay. So there is no risk of carrying cash everywhere, no risk of theft, and they can easily pay anything anytime and anywhere. You can say. Uses of information technology. Information technology is used in every aspect of life, we can say. It is used in business, education, finance, healthcare, security, e-learning, communication. In today's pandemic, IT has contributed a lot. As we can see, people are learning, kids are learning through computers, mobiles, etc. Uh, Businesses like work from home. Work from home was also possible only because of IT. Uh, and everything, healthcare is also we can healthcare also uses IT. So IT is everywhere. It is widely used, and it is booming, and it will boom. And like it is very important to know the importance of IT and its future growth. There are many types of roles in the field of IT, such as data scientist, IT manager, database developer, support analyst, system administrator, technology specialist, software tester, engineer architect, software development manager, network engineer, technical consultant. So the job role is also wide. So if someone wants to make their career in IT, it is very good for them. Top 5 IT companies in India. Tata Consultancy Service, largest IT company in India. Infosys, HCL Technology, Wipro Limited, Redington India Limited. Conclusion: the IT sector in India has grown with exceptionally high growth rate in post-reform years and contributed a large share to national GDP. IT company has a very important role for growth of India, we can say, and it has contributed to GDP in a very good manner. Despite the uncertain global economic scenario, the IT industry has steadily augmented and accelerated the growth of India. The industry absorbs a large pool of Indian skilled human resources, which makes the country a global IT hub. The IT industry has been instrumental in transforming the whole Indian economic and government landscape. India's IT industry is gaining footsteps in new disruptive technologies and will play a leading role in the ongoing fourth industrial revolution globally. So we can conclude that IT is very important, and it is it is booming, and it is used in every industry. We can say banking, bank due to IT, people are not visiting banks. They can do their works, do their work from their home itself or office itself on their handset through mobile. They can transfer funds, they can order checkbook, they can do each and everything through the app itself. So we can conclude that IT is very important, and it has it is helping India to grow, and it has a great potential. Thank you. Thank you very much. This was my presentation. Thank you.